Hello students, today we will start with our problem set 16, question number 1. Let's see what is the question. From a total of 10,000 rupees, Anna donated 7,000 rupees to a school. The remaining amount was to be divided equally among 6 students as the all-round student prize. What was the amount of each prize? Now what is the total amount given to us? 10,000. How much Anna donated? 7,000. What we have to do? The remaining amount. Remaining. That means from this 10,000 was the total amount and 7,000 already he donated. So from this whatever remaining amount is there, that amount you have to divide in how many students? 6 students. So now remaining means left. Left means we have to subtract. So we have to subtract 10,000 minus 7,000. Let's start. Now, our solution. 10,000 is what? Total amount. And 7,000 is what? Amount donated by Anna. Now, when you minus 10,000 with 7,000, what you will get the answer? 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 10 minus 7, 3. So, what is the amount that supposed to be divided in 6 students is 3,000. What is the amount? 3,000. So now we have to divide. Now this 3,000 we have to divide in how many students? 6 students. So let's divide. 3,000 I have already written, and in how many students we are supposed to divide? 6 students. Now what is the amount we have to find out? Now let's start. 3 is smaller than 6, so you will take 2 numbers. Does 30 goes in the table of 6? Yes. When 6 5s are 30. So 30 minus 30, your answer is 0. Now these 2 zeros which are left out, you have to write down in the quotient. So that means each student will get how much money? That is 500. So amount of the prize is rupees 500 for each student. Okay. An amount of 260 rupees each was collected from 50 students for a picnic. If 11,450 rupees were spent for the picnic, what is the amount left over? Our second question. Now what in this it has been given? Total 50 students were there, and from one student how much amount was collected? 260. So now what is the total amount? We have to find out, and what it is said that now 11,450 rupees were spent. So how much amount is left with the school we have to find out. So let's start our second one. Solution. So first what we have to do? We have to multiply because we want to find out the total amount. So how much amount was collected from each student? It was 260. Correct? Okay. And how many number of students are there? 50. Yes. Now we have to find out that total amount collected. So how to find out? You have to multiply. What you will do? Multiply. Now let's see the multiplication. 0 zeros are 0, 0 6 are 0, 0 2s are 0. Now the next step, 5 zeros are 0, 5 6 are 30, 0, 3 carry. 5 2s are 10 plus 3, 13. So 0, 0, 0, 3 and 1. So what was the amount collected? 13,000. The total amount was collected how much? 13,000. Now they are asking how much amount is left over. So what we have to do when it is written left over? You have to subtract. So first we will write down total amount collected. It was 13,000. And how much amount was spent? 11,450. This much amount was spent. Leftover means you have to subtract. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 5, it's not possible. So you have to borrow from the next number. Again it is 0. So you have to borrow from another number. 3 will become 2. This will become 10. Now 1 you have to give over here. So this will become 9. And this will become 10. So 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 4, 5. 2 minus 1, 1. And 1 minus 1, 0. So the leftover amount is how much? 1550.